Did you know your car has secret features, buttons, and options that could save you $100 each month? That's right, 76% of drivers are missing out on these hidden features. I know, not everyone is a professional that can understand these specs or dashboard symbols. That's why I'm here. Today I'll break down 19 secret car features that will not only cut fuel costs, but the last one will even lower your insurance premiums. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video. Feature number 1, heads-up display. Ever thought what would happen if a pilot keeps looking down at the controls? They would end up crashing the jet, right? That's why these pilots get all their important info right in their line of sight, and now cars can do the same thing. It's called a heads-up display, HUD, and it's designed to keep drivers focused on the road. We've all seen people messing with their phones while driving, and let's be honest, that's terrifying. One glance away can lead to disaster. That's why many newer cars project key details right onto the windshield, making it look like the info is floating in front of you. What does it show? Your speed, navigation directions, and even the road speed limit. Some cars even display the song you're playing, so no more squinting at the dashboard. It's all about keeping your eyes up and you're driving safe. Feature number 2, drowsiness detector. What's just as dangerous as drunk driving? Falling asleep at the wheel. Every year, 6,000 fatal crashes happen because drivers doze off while driving. That's why newer cars come with drowsiness detection systems. These smart features track your steering patterns. If the car notices you're drifting too much, it chimes an alert and flashes a warning on the dashboard, sometimes even showing a coffee cup icon as a reminder to take a break. Luxury brands like Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, Subaru, and Nissan track your eye and head movements. If your head starts dipping or your eyelids get too heavy, the system wakes you up by vibrating the steering wheel gently. Thankfully, cars now watch out for you when you're too tired to watch the road. Feature number 3, traffic signal change alert. Missing green lights at the traffic signal is common. It happens often when you are taking a quick glance at your phone or the dashboard. That's where traffic signal change alerts come in, found in Audis and Subarus. This smart feature flashes an icon on your instrument panel, sometimes even one that looks like a traffic light. It's a small but handy feature that stops impatient drivers from blasting their horn. Feature number 4, blind spot monitoring. Changing lanes can be risky, especially on busy highways. There's always a chance another car will dodge you, eventually causing a crash. That's why many cars now have blind spot monitoring. This system uses sensors to watch both sides of your car. If a vehicle is in your blind spot, a warning light flashes to let you know it's not safe to move. It's like having an extra set of eyes, helping you stay safe on the road. Feature number 5, hidden umbrella. It's pouring rain. You step out of the car and realize your umbrella is in the trunk. By the time you grab it, you're already soaked. Some cars solve this problem with a built-in umbrella holder in the door. No more digging around. Just open the door, grab the umbrella, and stay dry. This feature starts with luxury cars, but now appears in everyday models too. Feature number 6, gas tank locator. Pull up to a gas pump, step out, and realize the fuel door is on the other side. Now you have to get back in, start the car, and turn around. Hassle, right? Luckily, there's an easy way to avoid this. Every car's fuel gauge has a tiny arrow pointing to the side where the fuel door is. Next time you borrow or rent a car, don't guess. Just check the fuel gauge before pulling up to the pump. Left or right, the arrow tells you exactly where to go. Feature number 7, built-in hidden vacuum. Love the hidden umbrella? Then you'll love this even more. Some newer cars come with a built-in vacuum, perfect for quick cleanup. No more dragging a bulky vacuum down the driveway just to clean a few crumbs off the seat. It's hidden inside the car, ready whenever you need it. Spill some snacks? No problem. Just grab the vacuum and clean it up on the spot. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Feature number 8, seat massager. Long drives can be exhausting. Sitting for hours stiffens muscles and causes tension. But some newer cars fix that problem with built-in seat massagers. This feature gently loosens muscles, relaxes tension, and even improves circulation while you drive. No need to pull over for a stretch, just sit back and let your seat do the work. Feature number 9, adaptive cruise control. Continuous braking and acceleration are tedious. No, this is where adaptive cruise control steps in. It adjusts your speed automatically. It uses sensors to track the car in front and slows you down when needed. If traffic clears, it speeds back up without you touching the gas pedal. Not sure if your car has adaptive cruise control? Check the steering wheel for buttons with a car or steering wheel icon. If they're there, your car might have it. Just set your speed and let your car do the work. Feature number 10, smartphone integration. Gone are the days when you had to fumble with the radio or look at your phone while driving. Thanks to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your car's infotainment system does it all for you. These features come as standard in most cars today. No need for a pricey upgrade. They connect your phone to the touchscreen, letting you use apps like Google Maps, Spotify, Waze, and WhatsApp without ever touching your device. Even better, it reads your texts out loud so you can stay focused on the road. Music, navigation, and messages, all hands-free, all safer. Feature number 11, backseat reminders. Forgetting something in the back seat is one thing, but forgetting a child can be tragic. On average, 37 children die each year in the US from heat stroke after being left unattended in vehicles. To combat this, automakers have introduced backseat reminder systems. These systems detect when a rear door is opened before or after starting the engine and will chime or flash an alert on the dashboard once the car stops, and the driver puts the vehicle in park and turns off the engine. This simple feature serves as a crucial reminder to check the back seat, helping to prevent such tragedies. Feature number 12, heated steering wheel. Cold mornings are tough. Scraping ice off the windshield freezes your fingers fast. But if your car has a heated steering wheel, you can warm up instantly. Most new cars come with heated seats, but some also heat the steering wheel. This is especially useful if your car has a touchscreen that doesn't work with gloves. Want to check if you have it? Look for a button on the steering wheel or near the seat heater controls. No more icy fingers on winter drives. Feature number 13, conversation mirror. Like traveling with family or catching up with friends often, you might have noticed a small mirror in a Honda minivan or a GMC SUV that flips down from the roof. No, it's not for checking your hair or fixing your makeup. It's actually a conversation mirror, designed to let you see the back seat without turning around. It's not high tech, but it's a must-have to keep an eye on the kids or chatting with passengers. Feature number 14, tire inflation alert. Ever tried inflating your tires at night? It's not fun. A dimly lit gas station, a half-broken air pump, and a gauge that probably doesn't work. If you drive a Nissan, you're in luck. It comes with Easy Fill Tire Alert, a system that tells you when your tires are at the right pressure. Here's how it works. Put the car in park, engage the parking brake, and start filling a tire. When it reaches the correct PSI, the horn beeps. If you overfill, the horn beeps twice and the lights flash to warn you. No more guessing, checking, or deflating and refilling. Just listen for the beep and you're good to go. Feature number 15, remote key fob tricks. Your key fob does more than you think. Here are 3 hidden features most people don't know about. 1. Control windows and sunroof. Roll down windows before getting in on hot days. Press and hold unlock for 3 seconds if you drive a Kia, Volkswagen, or Hyundai. For Honda and Volvo, press unlock once, then hold again. 2. Fold your mirrors, own a GMC, Chevy, or BMW. Press and hold the lock to fold the mirrors. On newer Hondas, press lock once, then hold. 3. Remote start. Many cars start without a special button. On Lexus, Mazda, or Toyota, press lock twice, then hold on the 3rd click. For BMW, click lock 3 times fast. Some key fobs also have remote parking, car summon, or a hidden key. Check your manual. You might have more tricks up your sleeve. Feature number 16, road condition indicator. Cold weather can turn roads dangerous fast. That's why most new cars don't just show the outside temperature, they also warn you when roads might be icy. When temperatures drop too low, your dashboard displays a snowflake icon as a reminder to drive carefully. Some cars even sound an alert to warn you. It's a simple but important feature that helps you stay safe when the roads get slippery. Feature number 17, lane centering sensor. Highway driving just got safer. Many new cars now come with driver assist systems that can accelerate, brake, and even steer on their own. These systems use cameras and sensors to track lane markings. Lane departure warning, LDW, alerts drivers with a beep or steering wheel vibration if they drift out of their lane. Lane Keep Assist, LKAS, takes it a step further. It gently corrects the steering to keep the car centered. It's like having an extra set of hands on the wheel, making long drives easier and safer. Feature number 18, Eco Driving Indicator. Gas prices keep climbing, and everyone's looking for ways to save. That's where fuel saving mode comes in. It reduces engine power, making it work less and easing the load on the battery. The downside, slower acceleration, but the upside, better fuel economy and fewer trips to the pump. In fact, estimates show it can improve fuel efficiency by 5 to 10%. Plus, it's not just good for your wallet, it's better for the environment too. Now, as promised earlier, here is the bonus tip that can lower your insurance premium. Feature number 19, steering lock. Car theft is a real risk, but a simple built-in feature can stop thieves in their tracks. It's called the steering lock. It prevents the wheel from turning without the key, even if someone manages to start the engine. Many cars with turnkey ignitions already have this anti-theft feature. Using these safety perks can lower your insurance premium by 10%. To activate it, just turn the steering wheel after removing the key. The lock engages automatically, making it nearly impossible to steal the car. Need to drive again? Just insert your key and turn the wheel slightly to unlock it. Here are simple and effective ways to protect your car and your wallet. If you found these tips helpful, then be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.